Hello, I'm Max, your virtual host from Probewell Lab. Today, I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on performing a power quality test using the XT Series site tester designed specifically for transformer-rated installations. This test is essential for assessing the quality of the service installation on the secondary side of the meter base. Regular power quality tests are crucial for maintaining safety and efficiency in your CT-rated installations. Early detection of high harmonic distortion allows for preventive measures, protecting equipment, improving site reliability, and contributing to effective revenue loss prevention. In this mode, the XT Series tester acquires real-time measurements for secondary voltage and current on all connected phases. We'll cover everything from initial setup to test execution and interpreting results, ensuring the highest standards of power quality in your installations. Let's get started. To begin, ensure the site tester configuration matches the form you plan to test. Use the form selector, position the twist tabs accordingly, and securely insert the XT Series tester into the meter base. For this test, no accessories are needed, as the device is designed to operate independently. Its integrated technology allows for direct measurement of key power quality parameters, eliminating the need for external setups. This saves time and ensures reliable results from the start. Now on your mobile device, open the Probewell Connect app and scan the QR code on the tester to pair it. Once connected, the app will guide you through the site setup process by prompting you further required information. In the site setup menu, enter the correct CT and PT specifications. This guarantees accurate power quality test results. You can find this information on the CT and PT nameplates at the installation site. If you need to make adjustments later, click the settings icon below the test control panel. After verifying the configuration, press Confirm Setup to proceed to the Tests menu. For this demonstration, we'll perform a power quality test. This test monitors key parameters such as voltage and current, total harmonic distortion, and frequency, essential metrics for evaluating the quality and stability of your instrument-rated installation. To begin the test, tap the play button. The system will start acquiring data and display real-time results on the screen. As the test progresses, the power quality interface is divided into 4 tabs: Table, Vector, Time, and Harmonics. Let's explore these in detail. The Table tab displays real-time readings for each line, along with the phase rotation direction. It accommodates various wiring schemes, including single-phase, Y, and delta. The Vector tab shows a comprehensive phasor diagram of the installation, automatically scaling based on live data. Voltage vectors are displayed as solid lines, while current vectors are shown as dotted lines. A color-coded legend highlights phase relationships between voltage and current. The Time tab presents a real-time plot of voltage and current measurements over several line cycles. This tab offers a clear visualization of variations and consistency in the data. The Harmonics tab provides a detailed analysis of the harmonic composition of your installation. Harmonics are displayed as a percentage of the fundamental frequency, and the XT Series tester measures harmonics up to the 21st order. Each tab provides essential data for evaluating the quality and stability of your installation. Use these insights to identify and address any potential issues quickly and efficiently. When you're ready, tap the Stop button at the top of the screen to end the test. User can decide to save or discard the results. To save the test results, simply tap Yes on the control panel, and your data will be securely stored for future reference. To learn more about how to save and export a test report, please visit the Learning Center at support.probewell.com. In the How to video section, you will find additional tutorial videos with step-by-step guidance. You can also find the direct link in the description box of this video. I may be a virtual host, but Probewell takes pride in offering responsive and genuinely human technical support. With world-class manufacturing standards, we deliver innovative yet intuitive technology to our customers. Would you like to learn more about the XT Series tester or other Probewell products? Request a live demo to get expert insights or contact us directly at info@probewell.com. Thanks for watching.